All right, so what do you think of the defense opening statement? Let me bring in masterful criminal defense attorney Jessica Mishali. Okay, so what do you think? Give us an assessment here.
I thought it was a good opening statement, and if it's accurate, I'm predicting a verdict of not guilty. There's no proof that she did this. It's, again, a heartbreaking situation. Something horrible happened, and it looks like someone is responsible, but we don't know that it's the defendant. In fact, I would say there's a lot of things to point out that it's not the defendant. If it was the defendant, why didn't they find anything? Why didn't they find the medicine that was given to the baby? Why wasn't it around? Why wasn't it there? Why didn't they find anything in the search? I think that it's not a case that can be proven with the evidence that they have at this time.
Jessica, curious, what did you think of when the defense attorney said to the jury, you know, I've spoken with the baby's mother, I've spoken with my client, but beyond that is beyond the scope of what I do as a practicing criminal defense attorney. So I am not tasked with investigating. So I can't tell you how this happened. What did you think of how she framed that up for this jury?
I thought it was interesting. I thought it was skillful in a way to find a way to sort of remind the jury that it's not her job to prove anything, and she's right. You run the risk in these cases that juries really feel like they need to get to the bottom of what happened, especially in such a tragic case, especially where there's a baby involved. You really run the risk, and you have to be careful when you choose this jury that they're not taking it upon themselves to do absolute justice for this baby, get to the bottom of what happened, really figure out what it was, because juries want to do that. And as a defense attorney, it's difficult to show them and really bring home to them that that's not their job. Their job is only to determine whether or not there is guilt beyond a reasonable doubt and whether the state has proven that. So I think she's kind of reminding them in a subtle way and letting them know, we don't have a job here. The entire job is the state's, and the state hasn't done it because they can't prove to you what happened to this baby.